Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup ZoomInfo CRM data exports, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your ZoomInfo CRM data exports, start by logging into your ZoomInfo account. Navigate to the dashboard where your data is displayed. Locate the section dedicated to data exports. Select the data set or report you wish to backup. Click on the export button associated with that data set. Choose your preferred format for the export, such as CSV or Excel. Adjust any export parameters if necessary, like date ranges or filters. Confirm the export request and wait for the process to complete. Once the export is finished, a download link will appear. Click on the download link to save the exported file to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's designated Downloads folder. For organization, create a dedicated folder for your ZoomInfo backups. Move the exported file into this backup folder. Consider renaming the file with the date for easy reference. To ensure data security, backup the folder using cloud storage or an external drive. Schedule regular backups to keep your data current. By following these steps, you can effectively backup your ZoomInfo CRM data exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.